How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice little 69 CST-10. Super nice little truck. It's got all your trim on it. It's a top of the line model. It's original grille. Bumpers have been replated. It's done in a Tidewater Aqua. Super cool little truck here. Nice straight down the sides. It's got the black interior. Got a set of 17-inch Riddler wheels. All new. Nice mild built 350. 400 turbo trans. It's got the nice smooth rear bumper on it instead of the step. It's all been updated with the 5-lug conversion. It's got power front disc brakes. It's got power steering. Got headers, duals out the back. Got a nice mild cam in it. Truck drives out great. Truck come out of the Carolinas. It's got tilt wheel. Yeah, tack and some gauges nicely done. They did an AM/FM CD stereo, nicely mounted in the dash. With the headliner. So I really like the scroll work and the factory seat covers. It's got a 2/4 drop. Got drop spindles in the front and proper coils in the rear. Done right. See, the bed's nice and clean. It's not all beat up or anything. Got your rear slider, which is real nice. Fires right up. Sounds like the fan belt might be a little loose. We'll check that out. Sounds really good out the back. And my daughter actually had a chance. She drove his truck and enjoyed it a little bit before we got it advertised. Said it was a lot of fun. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.